Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to download and install Google Play Store in your laptop. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your Chrome browser. So I simply open my Chrome browser, and at the top right corner you can find a icon, Google Apps. Select it. After selected, you can find Google Play. So open it. So after open it, click on the top right corner three dot icon and then select more tools. And after select more tools, select create shortcut and then select create. So after that, if you let's back, you can see Google Play Store is here. So in this way, you can download and install Google Play Store in your laptop. So I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.